and I don't say it easily. Like I'm very critical of my work. कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगता जो भी मैं करती हूँ. मेरे को अभी शर्म आती है. मैं नहीं बता सकती. YOLO. No, I do believe in it. You only live once.
Hello and welcome. You're watching India.com Z with Jigyasa Sahai. And today we are in conversation with none other than Sanya Malhotra. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you, Jigyasa. Thanks a lot for having me.
Yes, lovely to have you. And to start with, so पिछले साल we have seen a lot of you in so many different roles. It has been so hectic for you, constantly shooting, and also your hard work is paying off. You're getting recognition and awards for the same. So अब जैसे we have moved on to the next year, and we have seen a lot of traveling on your social media feed as well. So how are you taking it all in? So are you like on a break, a little breather, or how is it going on for you right now?
I wish I was on a break, but no, I'm working. I'm shooting right now. I'm shooting for a film with Varun Dhawan. It's called Sunny Sanskari Ki Tulsi Kumari.
Yes.
And I'm also shooting a film with directed by Anurag Kashyap. So I'm like shuffling between these two projects. And also I went on a vacation recently. Went out with a friend.
That's great.
But I'm taking it light this year.
Yeah.
It's not hectic, but it's still like it's manageable.
Great. So जैसे अक्सर हम बात करते हैं balancing the personal life, the professional life, and and we have seen so many of your dance videos and workout videos and so on social media. And I'm personally a fan of your dance. मेरे हिसाब से you should have a solo dance song with all. You're so effortless when you dance. So I really hope to see that. So what is Sanya's mantra to be at it always, like managing your fitness, diet with work and everything?
I'm not always at it. There are days when I don't feel like doing anything and I let myself be. Mm-hmm. But I love being active. I enjoy dancing. I love fitness. I love going to the gym. I love being active. I go for walks. I play tennis and racket sports, and I also make sure that I'm taking good care of my health by eating good stuff and also consuming probiotics. Yeah. I consume Yakult almost every day. I empty stomach before my breakfast, and that's how I make sure that I'm keeping a balance in my hectic schedules and the days when I.
Right. So if I have to ask कि जैसे diet या fitness routine के हिसाब से हो गया, so what is like your must have and must not? Like अगर होगा कि sugar तो consume करना ही नहीं है या fruits तो करने ही हैं every day. So is there anything?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Nothing hard and fast. Pretty flexible.
Very flexible, and I think food is fuel.
Yeah.
And I eat whatever I feel like eating. Mm-hmm. One of the reasons I'm so active is that I want to enjoy my food. I love eating. Yeah. And I eat, as I said, whatever I feel like eating. तो ऐसा कुछ मैं restrictions नहीं लाना चाहती. मुझे generally लगता है कि खाना is fuel, and there is no bad or good food.
Right, and I think that is one of the best ways to lead a happy and healthy life.
Exactly. I'm in Delhi. I'm going to enjoy my food.
Yeah.
I'm also a Delhi girl.
Yes.
I'm Punjabi, तो मुझे खाना बहुत पसंद है.
I wanted to know कि जब भी कोई script आपकी तरफ offer होती है, so what is that one thing that you are always looking?
There are a lot, not just one, but since we are talking about gut today, gut being the main topic, I think gut feeling. Okay. Sometimes I just know it like, this is the film that I want to be a part of, या ये character मुझे करना ही करना है. वो सुनते ही और स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ते ही पता चल जाता है. And there are times when you just know that you are not fit for the character, or there's something else that you would like to explore. तो gut feeling काफ़ी strong होती है कुछ films को लेकर.
Right, and speaking of your characters, which has been your most liberating role so far, if I have to ask?
Ayyo, that's a tough one. I like all my characters.
Yeah, we love all your characters too.
I think Paglet. I love Mrs. too. Yeah, Mrs. is my favorite one.
Yeah, so far.
And so far, yes, and I can't wait for everyone to see it in India.
Yeah.
But I think I've done a good job, and I don't say it easily. Like I'm very critical of my work. कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगता जो भी मैं करती हूँ. But I saw the film and I was like, no, I'm proud of it. I've done a good job.
So, what are 3 things that we'll find in Sanya's bag all the time?
Ayo. Wallet,
Mm-hmm.
phone, lip balm.
Great. What is your guilty pleasure?
My guilty pleasure these days is watching reality show on Netflix. I used to hate it, but now I think I've
Which one is it that you're watching currently?
बोल भी नहीं सकती हूँ. I'm so embarrassed to share. I can't share. Sorry.
Would love to know. I think काफी लोग देख ही रहे होंगे already if it's on there.
पर मेरे को अभी शर्म आती है. मैं नहीं बता सकती.
Okay, moving on. So, if not an actor, what Sanya would be doing right now?
कुछ ना कुछ तो कर ही रही होगी. Dance.
Dance.
Yeah.
And if you have to go for advice in Bollywood, who is that one go-to person of yours?
My managers and my agent.
All right. And the lastly, what's Sanya Malhotra's one mantra you swear by in life?
YOLO. No, I do believe in it. You only live once.
Great. So thank you so much for having this conversation with us, and looking
Thank
forward to you, looking forward for more of your films and upcoming projects.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.